back to my channel. Hopefully you guys will like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today I want to talk about my diet journey during this pandemic. Now, before this pandemic kicked off, I think I was at maybe 193 pounds. Kind of gained weight from sitting in the office. You know, people bringing snacks all the time, vending machines, potlucks here and there, holiday parties, what have you. So what happened was when the pandemic hit, there was nowhere to go to exercise, and I was like, man. I mean, although I was eating bad at work, I think I was offsetting it by exercising. So here I am during the pandemic, nowhere to go, nowhere to work out, and how can I at least not gain weight like I was doing before? So what happened was I started walking outside in the evening times, you know, during the summer. Sometimes I may walk twice a day, maybe, because I was on furlough at the time. I also started doing the 3-day military diet, and I wouldn't do it every week. I would do it maybe every other week. So, you know, I think that was kind of tough for anybody to do it every week. It can be done. I mean, I probably did it maybe 2 weeks in a row, but I gradually did the military diet probably every other week, along with walking every day. So once the furlough ended and we went back to work, I'm like, I'm sitting mostly 8 hours a day in the office. How can I keep this weight off while I'm at work? Well, one thing that helped us is we don't have a break room anymore. The break room is closed, so no vending machines at all or anything. So that helps out very, very much. But also I said, let me start trying to get some healthy snacks that I can eat at work. I was eating snacks at work before the pandemic, semi-healthy, but not just full blown. I'm gonna eat healthy all day while I'm at work. So I'm gonna give you guys some of my healthy snacks that I eat while I'm at work, 8 hours a day, sitting down, not burning much of any energy off. So bear with me. So tomorrow will be Monday, back to work, and I definitely went shopping this weekend, and to be honest, some of this healthy food is not cheap, you know. But anyway, I got my peanuts. I got these from what's the store? Man, I can't even think of the store name right now. Safeway. Got these from Safeway. I nibble on these maybe once or twice a day. I got my bananas. I used to buy bananas all the time, try to eat healthy, and would always have like 2 left. Bananas are always going bad, wasting money, losing money. I've gotten to the point now where I can eat them every day, eat 1 a day, maybe twice or 2 a day. But I got to the point now where I kind of enjoy eating them, and I don't leave any bananas left behind at the end of the week. But that was a challenge at first. Now my new challenge is to try to start finishing my apples throughout the week. Sometimes I have like 3 or 4 apples left at the end of the week, and maybe 2 weeks. So I got to do a better job of eating my apples. I prefer the Fuji apples. Fuji apples they're really delicious, sweet, crisp, and out of all the apples that are out there, I love these Fuji's. They're sweet and tasty. And then my other treat I have. This is probably an acquired taste. Raw almonds. Raw almonds I get from Sprouts. This bag is a good size. I think it cost about $7, $8, maybe $9. And like I said, rather expensive, but it's a good healthy treat. I think this raw almond is kind of like I think it's kind of like snack that'll burn calories for you. But I probably have this bag for like maybe 2 or 3 weeks. I nibble, like I said, I eat these throughout the day. This is probably what I eat mostly throughout the day are these almonds right here. And another thing that I eat during the day, which I haven't had in about a month, is boiled eggs. I used to take 2 boiled eggs to work also and eat them, but in the last month I kind of tailed off on eating the eggs because I heard it's not good to eat eggs every day like that. So, but if you get a boiled egg and add it to these snacks right here, that's another healthy snacks. Also you can have carrots. Carrots is a good snack to eat as well. I don't eat those. I like my carrots kind of like warm, not cold. So we don't have access to a microwave at my job now, so there's no way that I can heat up the carrots. But it's other like salads and things of that nature. It's a lot of other things, but these are just snacks that you don't have to prepare. I can just reach over to my desk drawer, grab them and start eating them. And like I said, bananas are a good, healthy snack. These are roasted peanuts, unsalted. I'd rather have unroasted peanuts, but man, I don't really enjoy them that well. And like I said, you got your Fuji apples, you got your raw almonds that I got from Sprouts. Very tasty. That's what I eat mostly during the day to kill my hunger. And like I said, boiled eggs, which I probably may be boiling a couple of eggs this week and taking to work. It's a short week this week, but still, I might boil a couple of eggs. But these are the snacks that I eat throughout the day at my job to keep from gaining weight. And when I go on break, I try to walk around the parking lot here and there and get a little exercise in. But so far, like I said, I was 193. I'm down to 177. Lost about 16 pounds, and trying to keep it off. And this is a way to keep your weight down. Try to go to work and eat you some good healthy snacks. No hamburgers, no pizzas, no. What do people eat at work? I mean, they eat everything, but just try to eat more healthy during the day. I know you're there all day, 8 hours, and it can get tough as far as you getting hungry and you want to eat the things that you like. But just try to be disciplined and do what I did. Just nibble on these snacks here throughout the day, and I guarantee you won't gain that much weight. And then if you go to the gym later on that evening after work, it'll be all worth it, trust me. Your weight will pretty much stay the same and it won't move as long as you're watching your calories and watching what you eat and exercising. Now, they say 90% of your diet is what you eat. So there's some people out here just eating a whole lot of food, but they go in the gym and they kind of like just offset that. And that's what I was doing for the most part. I was offsetting my calories that I accumulated throughout the day. But now that I lost weight, I'm still offsetting them, and I can lose more weight if I wanted to. But I think I'm kind of small enough already, so I'm cool at 177, and so that was a 16-pound loss. And so for the last 3 months, my weight is maintained at a 177. I weigh myself at least once a week, and I just try to go exercise every other day. But again, it's mostly what you consume and what you eat. That's the issue. I lost most of my weight about just going through the military diet and watching what I eat. And I just went and walking. But the walking may have helped, but eating the right foods was what got me to lose 16 pounds. Exercise, here and there, but eating the right foods helped me lose most of my weight. So again, guys, these are the healthy snacks that I eat during my lunchtime, or do it throughout the day. So you guys try it. It may feel like at first you, it may feel like you're always hungry, no matter how much this stuff you eat. But as you begin to get used to shrinking your stomach and eating the right foods, then it'll start it'll fill you up. Especially if you eat like 2 apples, they'll fill you up as well. You can also take grapefruit to work with you and eat that. If it's if you don't like the taste of the grapefruit, you can always add honey to it, which is delicious to me. You put honey on your grapefruit, and then you eat it with a fork or spoon. Delicious. But guys, if you have any comments, ideas, please share them with me as well as with my audience and subscribers. Maybe it's other ideas that we can come up with as far as eating healthy snacks at lunchtime or during your work day. Thank you and take care. Peace.